This song has two main patterns. For the verse, we're going to begin on an E flat major chord, E flat, G, and B flat. Then to a B flat major chord, B flat, D, F. Then to an F chord, F, A, C. The E flat gets one full measure. The B flat and F will get 2 beats each. Here we go in one hand, starting on the E flat major chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. B flat, F, E flat, 2, 3, 4. B flat, F. In two hands, the verse pattern could look and sound like this, beginning on E flat major. 2, 3, 4. The chorus pattern starts similarly on an E flat major chord, E flat, G, B flat, for a full measure. Then to a B flat chord for a full measure now, B flat, D, F. Then to an F chord for a full measure, F, A, C. Then to a G minor chord, G, B flat, D, until we repeat it all again. Let's try that together. One hand only, E flat major chord for a full measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. In two hands, the chorus pattern could look like this, beginning on E flat major, 2, 3, 4.